Welcome to Financial Journeys. My name is Krishna and I am 16 years old. So, what is the stock market, or better still, why does it even exist? Let's understand this with an example. You are the owner of a small cookie business, and so you sell cookies. One day, a person approaches you and he says that your business has a great potential and that he would like to help you expand your business by financing it. He's ready to invest a hefty sum in your company in exchange for 50% ownership in it. So if your company generates a profit of rupees 100, the investor would be entitled to rupees 50 out of it. Now, it's obvious that with more money in the business, you would be able to start several new factories and set up new production units. And with increased production capacity, the company will have a larger revenue figure, which ordinarily should mean increase in profits, the benefit of which will also be derived by your investor. The modern day stock market creates a system by which anyone can buy ownership in a company through the internet. So, does that mean you can buy 50% stake in Apple? You can certainly think about it if you have $1 trillion, which is practically impossible for an individual considering that the total net worth of Jeff Bezos, currently the world's richest man, is $196 billion, according to Forbes. So, to solve the problem, every company distributes its ownership into small parts called shares, which you can buy in exchange for money. So stock market is just a setup which facilitates the buying and selling of such small parts in a company. Thank you.